मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग? होप आप सब अच्छे होंगे। इंडियन ऑनलाइन स्कूल की तरफ से आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज हम रीजनिंग का टॉपिक लेने वाले हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम ये फाइंड आउट करते हैं कि रीजनिंग होती क्या है। व्हाट इज अ रीजनिंग? एज इट नेम सजेस्ट, रीजनिंग रीजन। if we have if we have a problem and we have a particular reason behind it, if we have any solution of any problem and if we have particular reason behind it, that is called reason. Okay, so मैं आपको अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर करती हूँ. After that I'm going to take you the reasoning concept. In the reasoning concept we will take one topic. Okay, and what is that? That is coding and decoding. Okay, so I will start with the again reasoning. The process of thinking about something and making a judgment of that, making a judgment or decision, that is called a reasoning. Okay, reasoning is when we investigate something and explain why something is correct, why something is wrong. Okay, so what does it mean? It involves testing, obviously, and it will providing you the reason behind it. That is majorly called as a reasoning. Okay, so there are two types of reasoning. One is verbal, another one is non-verbal. Okay, can you see my screen? One is verbal, another one is non-verbal. Verbal means which can be expressed in words. As you can see that verbal, which can be expressed in words, that can be called as a verbal reasoning. Just like the question, which number should come next in the series 6, 8, 10, 12? So obviously, can you see that there is a difference of 2 to 2? So another number will be 12 plus 2 is 14. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So your answer will be option A. Another type of reasoning is non-verbal reasoning. The ability to understand and analyze non-verbal. Non-verbal means you have to visualize it. Okay, it's a picture. It will be in the form of pictures. You have to visualize it. You have the ability to understand and analyze non-verbal. Okay, if you can see in this small figure, there are how many rectangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now in which 8 are given, you have to find which one is the answer of that. In which, can you see that everyone you have a dark black rectangle, and in this you have arrows, and these all are in the upper portion, these all are in the middle one. Now these all should be in the end one. So and option will be your answer for that. Okay, so now I'm going to take today coding and decoding. What is coding and what is decoding? Coding, decoding, what does it mean? Okay, sometime, okay, we don't want to express everything in front of everyone, obviously. So what happened? We put a code word for something. Let's suppose if in when I was small kid na, तो मेरी मम्मा ने बोला था in front of others you don't they are not supposed to ask me questions like different questions. So what we have to do? तो हमें क्या करना था, हम कोड वर्ड कर देते थे, मम्मा कैन आई डू दैट, तो हम कोई कोड वर्ड रख लेते थे. ओके, सो उन कोड वर्ड्स को वो डिटेक्ट कर लेते थे, डी कोड करके समझ लेते थे व्हाट आई वांट टू आस्क, और वो उसका रिप्लाई कर देते थे हम मुझे. ठीक है, जस्ट लाइक आई कैन यू एग्जांपल. ओके, मैंने अपने बेटे को बोला है कि डोंट ओपन द डोर इन फ्रंट ऑफ अदर्स इन केस ऑफ स्ट्रेंजर्स. सो व्हेनेवर आई एम गोइंग आउट, सो व्हेन ही वाज अ स्मॉल, तो हम क्या करते थे, हम एक कोड वर्ड रख लेते थे कि व्हेन आई विल टेल यू, ओके, NEPO. So you have to reverse that. Reverse that means OPEN. It means you have to open the door. So उसे जनरली पता चल जाता था कि मम्मा इज देयर, एंड वो अपना डोर ओपन कर देता था. So what does it? So this is coding. I have put a code of that and he decoded it. Okay? So आपने कहीं मूवीज में भी देखा होगा, कहीं जगह पे ये कोडिंग डिकोडिंग बहुत यूज होती है. Even you can say that when we are going somewhere, so कोड वर्ड्स भी रखे जाते हैं, और आप ये देखेंगे कि लॉक्स भी लगाए जाते हैं, तो वो दिस इज कॉल्ड अ कोडिंग. ओके, So coding decoding is an important part of a logical reasoning section in all aptitude related examinations. Okay, it is a very, very important part. It starts from grade 2 and it will come in all the competitive exams. Reasoning plays a important role in all exams, all you can say that all type of exams. Okay, so coding. What is coding? Coding is a process used to encrypt a word, a number in a particular code and a pattern based on the small set of rules. There will be small set of rules. Okay, and decoding, if we decrypt the pattern, okay, we will change into original from the given words. Okay, so again, coding is a rule for converting a piece of information into another form of representation. And decoding is the reverse process, converting these code symbols back to information understandable or by a reversal. Just I have given example, NEPO, reverse versus open. Okay, it is not necessary it should be in a reverse every order. You could put any type of coding there. Okay, you can find anything, you can arrange any code, but you have to tell to that person. One reason for coding is to enable communication in places where ordinary spoken or written language is difficult and impossible. Okay, I think you will be able to understand. Sometimes in every place we are not able to you can say that communicate in a normal language, so we have to put a code for that, and we have to, just like a written languages which is difficult. Okay, so we will put a code over there. So now I'm going to take how many types of coding are there. Letter coding, number coding, substitutional coding, mixed coding, mixed number coding, symbol coding. Now I will take this type of coding one by one. First, I am going to take letter code. As its name suggests, letter. What are letters? Alphabet letters we are calling them. Okay. So in this coding, code values are given to a word in terms of letters. We have to analyze the pattern of an example, given example, and follow the pattern to find the answer. Okay, so this type of code as a coding. So in this, some letters are given. Okay, they will say this means this means this. Tell me what is the meaning of the given option. They will give you the question. Okay, so I will explain by example. How will we do letter? First, write the given pair. Then write the position of all the letters in the given set. Okay, just like you can start with just like A, B, C start with 1, 2, 3, D is 4, E is 5, F is 6, and so on up to Z is your 26. We know that there are total 26 letters in a alphabets. Okay, then obviously keep in mind every time it can't be considered as 1, 2. Okay, so sometimes they will give you, just like they can give you A, B, C as a 5, 6, 7. So obviously, what is the meaning of D here? D means, if I will write 5, 6, 7, so it should be 8. So what is E? E means 9. It means every letter is the actual position plus 4 number, because 1 plus 4 is 5. Then 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 5 plus 4 is 9. And so on. We can find all the positions here. So I will start with this one. Okay. First, let's try one question for the letter coding. If chair is coded as X, S, Z, R, I, there is nothing, there is no relation in between these. Above is coded as Z, Y, L, E, V. How every written on that code? Let us see. So I will take by this one. I have written chair. C, H, A, I, R. So chair can be written as X, S, Z, R, I. Above can be written as A, B, O, V, E. It can be written as Z, Y, L, E, V. These two options are given. Now we have to find every E, V, E, R, Y. So if we can see that, where is the E here? E can be defined as a V. So I will write here V. and another word is a V. So V can be defined as a E here. So I will write E here. Again E, again V. R, R is I. Okay. So we find Y. But there is no Y. So how I will find out? Then I need to find a relation. If you can see that I is R, R is I. E is V and V is E. It means if we have a B and Y, we can interchange it. B has a code as a Y and Y has the same type of code as a B. So I can write B instead of Y or Y instead of B. So Y will be considered as a B here. So this is the code word. So got it? These are very, very easy questions. Okay, I'm explaining this again. Again, you can write what is a chair. So if you write X, this is your X, this is your S, Z, R, I. Okay. If they were asking for what is the value of A here, A will be considered as Z. What will be the value of I? That's a R. Again, if you have to find the value of above, it will be considered as Z, Y, L, E, V. Now you have to find every. So every means E will be considered as V, V will be considered as E, E again V, R will be I, and Y will be V. That's your answer. Okay. So this is a basic concepts of this. I have arranged in the form of, you can say position. I have written if A, B, C can be written as 1, 2, 3. You have to find the value of X, Y, Z. If A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, what is D? 4. What is E? 5. What is F? 6. And so on. And again X, Y, Z. So that will be, because we know that 26, it is a 25, it is a 24. So what will be the value of X, Y, Z? 24, 25, 26. That will be your answer. Got it? Any doubt? So now we are starting with another topic, another type of a coding, that is a number code. In this question, numerical code values are given to a word. Numericals, it means I will also consider, I'm also taking numbers in it, 1, 2, 3, all numbers. The student is required to find the code depending upon the given coding pattern. Okay, just like if sister is coded as 5352001, it means S will be considered as 5, I will be considered as 3, S again 5, T2, E0, R1. And uncle is coded at 78960. What will be near coded as? So what is N here? If you can see that, can you see anywhere N? Yes, N is a 8 here. So I will write 8. Can you see E here? Yes, I can see E here. That's a 0. I will put 0. Again E, 0. What is R? R is 1. So what's your answer? That's a 8001. That will be your answer. It was so easy, right? Okay. So now I'm moving to next one now. Okay. So this is a grade 4 Olympiad question. It has already come in Olympiad level. Okay. So we can start with that. In a certain code language, if wagon is written as W-A-G-O-N, it can be written as 56419. W can be considered as 5, A can be considered as 6, Z can be considered as 4, O is 1, and N is 9. Now cabin, C-A-B-I-N. It has a 26379. Now you have to find again. What is A here? A is 6, so I will write 6. What is G here? G is 4, I will write 4. Again A is just 6. I is here 7, so I will write 7. And I can see it here 9, so that's a 9. 64679. 64679. So option D will be our answer. Got it, everyone? So these are very, very easy questions. So now, one more important type of coding is substitution coding. Okay, what do you understand by substitution? First time, substitution. Okay, I will ask you question. Let's suppose आपके कोई टीचर नहीं आता क्लास में, तो क्या करते हैं स्कूल वाले? क्या आपको फ्री छोड़ते हैं उस टाइम पे? नहीं, वो क्या करते हैं? They will substitute a teacher for. Okay, that is called as a substitute teacher. Okay, or you can say that it will be just like in place of something. Okay, so like that in substitution coding, some particular objects are assigned as code names. Okay, and then question is asked that you have to answer in a code language as well. Okay, this can I give you by example. If wall is called window, window is called door, door is called floor, floor is called roof, and roof is called ventilator, what will be a person stand on? If you can say that where a person can stand on, obviously person can stand on floor. Okay, so floor is not the answer for that. No, person stands on floor, but floor can't be his answer. What is floor called? That will be our answer. What is the substitutional word for floor? That will be our answer. That's a roof. So it means answer is roof. Okay, got it? So in this type of question, we have to use the next word for that, which is the, you can say, which can be put as a substitutional word of that given question that you have to write. Okay, so again, so this is a grade 3 Olympiad question. It has already come in Olympiad paper. So we will discuss that, this question. What is this? Everybody knows that, right? If plane is called as boat, boat is called as auto, auto is called as helicopter, then what can be used as a road transport? First, always keep in mind, what is road transport here? Okay, is it road transport? Is it? Or is it? So obviously, auto is a road transport because it runs on a road. Okay, so can auto be your answer? No, auto can't be your answer. What they have used, the substitutional word for the auto, that will be your answer. Auto is called helicopter. It means your answer will be helicopter. I think now you will be able to understand what is substitutional coding. Okay, in grade 3, generally substitutional coding are coming. In grade 4, substitutional and number coding and letter coding, they can come. Okay, fine. So another type of coding is now mixed coding. Okay, so in this type of coding, 3 or 4 complete messages are given in a coding language. They will give you 3 or 4 coded languages. Okay, then the code for a particular word is asked. To analyze such codes, any 2 messages bearing the common word that you have to pick up. You have to pick up the common word out of that. The common word will mean that word. So I can explain this with an example. Let's suppose I have a word. If TCP means drink fruit juice, CKLI means juice is sweet, LI means he is intelligent. Which word in that language means sweet? So you can find it. If you will see like this one, it's like, or you can see that it's a difficult question, but it is a very easy. What is the method? Just write the given things. What is given? TCP. What is this meaning? This is drink, fruit, and juice. Another is CKLI. What is the meaning? Juice is sweet. Okay, if you can see, can you see anything common here? I can see common C here. So what is common here? If you can see that juice is common here, it means C is juice. What my point? Okay, another one. Me. It means he is intelligent. So what is common here? C, ki, li. I can see li here. And what is common in these 2 lines? That's a is. Okay, so it means li is. Okay, they are asking for sweet. Okay, so now we can see that we know the juice, we know the is. Juice is C and Li is. In this, what is the sweet here? If you can say that key is left and here sweet is left, it means key meaning is sweet. So that my answer is a key here. So easy here, right? Always write two lines first, then find the common word. Okay, here can you see common? Here can you see common? Take out that common. Now find the another two lines. It can be first and three, it can be second and three. Then find the another common word. Now in a one line, you will be able to find two common words are already there and one word is left. That will be your answer generally. Okay. Now we will do another type of coding. That's a mixed number code. Okay, in which this is the same type as we have discussed earlier. Only difference is that they will use the number in that. Okay, because mixed coding was already we have discussed mixed coding. Now I have put number in it. So now I will put number in it. Okay, so same method we will apply. In this type of coding, 3 or 4 complete messages are given in a coding languages and the code number for a particular word is asked. So again, just like 4, 6, 7 means leaves are green. Leaves are green. Okay. Now 4, 8, 5 means green is good. Green is good. If you can see that what is common here? 4 and what is common here? Green. It means 4 meaning is green here. What my point? Okay. Now after that 6, 3, 9 they are playing. Okay. If I will write 6, 3, 9 they are playing. They are playing. What is 6 another? 6 is here and 6 is here in this line. 6 is common. And what is common in this line? I can see only R word. So 6 mean is R here. What my point? 6 is R here. Okay. So 2, 5, 3. Again, this type of question, they can find you the any question. Just like they will ask you the what is the meaning of 9 here? What is the meaning of 5 here? So this type of mixed number coding are just very simple. These are very simple. We can just हमें क्या करना है, हमें आपको पहले गिवन लिख लिया जो भी दिया हुआ है, तब उसमें से कॉमन निकाला और कॉमन से ही रिलेटेड एक तरफ से कॉमन निकाला और दूसरी तरफ से कॉमन को चूज कर लिया. जो दोनों में कॉमन है वो उस वर्ड का मतलब हुआ. फिर हमने अनदर टू लाइंस को कंपेयर किया, फिर आप उसमें से कॉमन वर्ड निकालेंगे. तो अब देखो इसमें हमें आर भी मालूम है, ग्रीन भी मालूम है. इफ दे विल आस्क यू व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ लीव्स, तो ऑब्वियसली यू विल से 7. 7 is the meaning of leaves and leaves is the meaning of 7. That is your answer. Okay, everyone. So always, this is a very, very simple topic. Okay, again, let's try one more question. If 786 means study very hard. Okay. Okay, everyone. Always study very hard. 958 means hard work pays. And 645 means study and work. You have to find the code word for very. So how can we do that? How can we start? First, I will take first two lines. Let's see what is common in this. Study very hard, but so if you can see these two lines, can you see anything common? Can 7 is common here? 8 is common. Yes, 8 is here. 8 is here. So I know the 8. What is common here? Study very hard. Hard work pays. If you can see that hard is common. So it means 8 word is hard. Got it? Now, if I will compare these two lines, 958, 645, 5 is common here. In these, hard work pays, study and work. Which is common? Work is common. So it means 5 is work. Got it? So it means 5 is common and 5 is work here. Okay. Now, you know the meaning of work. So let's find another one. Okay, can you find anything? If you see that 786, 645, 6 is common in these two lines. And in these two lines, can you see anything common? That's a study. So it means 6 is study. You know study, you know hard. What is very? Very which is left here? That's a 7. So it means very is the meaning of 7 and 7 is the meaning of very. Got it? So this was your mixed number. Okay. So now we will start with the symbol coding. What is symbol? Just it was very simple. We will introduce the symbols in it. Okay. We can use any alphabet letters and we can use any numbers. We can use symbols as well. Just like train is written as 3, 9, star, 7%. These all are symbols. Star is a symbol sign. Percent is a symbol sign. Symbols. Meal is written as $4 star at the rate. How is item written in that way? So I will write. So very simple again. Train. So I will write 3, 9, star, 7%. Okay. Now I will take meal. MEAL. Here you can see that $4 sign star at the rate. Now you have to find the value of item. What is I here? Can you see? Yes, I is a 7, so I will write 7. What is T here? T is a 3. What is a E here? There is no E. E is here at the dollar sign. What is M here? M is 4. So $73.4. So $73.4. So it will be your B option. Got it? So simple, right? So symbol coding is also very simple. So again, I have already told you in a grade 4 symbol coding are also there. So we will start in a certain code language. If week, now this question should be done by you. Okay. If week is written as, what is week? It is written as $3 #7. And another one is 4. 4 can be written as @5, this and 3. Now, they are asking for P. PEAR. What is P here? If you can see that, @. What is E here? That's you can see that 3. What is A here? A is a hash sign. What is 7 here? That's a just like. So this will be your answer. Can you see any option here? @ then 3. So P here again. What is P here? If you can see that, P is the @. So I will start with @. Then what is E here? E, if we can see that, where is the E here? In this question, E, where I can see E? E is a 3 here. So @3 here. Okay. So now what is written A here? A is a hash. And what is K? K is that. What is K is a 7. And what is the value of R? R is the value of it. So this will be our answer. Got it, everyone? So I will go to now grade 5 Olympiad. Now we are done with the just all type of coding. So we will do some questions based on that, which are already come in Olympiad. In a certain code language, news is coded as NEWS SHZ. Okay. Now look everyone, there are 2 methods generally. अगर आपको 2 ऑप्शन दी गई हैं और तीसरी ऑप्शन पूछी है, तो इसका मतलब आप उन दोनों को यूज कर तीसरी ऑप्शन निकालेंगे. वो जनरली आप एक की जगह दूसरे को रिप्लेस करके आए. बट अगर आपको सिर्फ एक ऑप्शन दी गई है और एक ऑप्शन का आंसर पूछा है, इसका मतलब आप उसी में रिलेशन फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा आपको. कैसे? जैसे इसमें आप देखा जाए N and S are there. So here they have put S and they have put N. So it means first and last letter they have replaces each other. So I can write in place of M, I can write N. In place of M, I can write N. Got it? So now after that, how H comes in place of P? E, F, G, H. If you can see that, they have to just taken the third letter. So after that, if I will write O after O, what is the third letter? P. I have to leave P, I have to leave Q, then I have to use R. So I will write R. Again, in case of W, if you can see that, you have to choose another third letter. They have to leave X, Y, then they are using Z. Again, I have to leave again P and Q, and I have to use R. So N, R, R, M. That will be our answer. Got it? Okay, so I will take one more question now. In a certain code languages, result is coded as, let's see, result RESULT. TLURT R-E-S. Now they are asking for repeat. So again, find, if you can see that, repeat, R-E-P-E-A. Okay, if you can see that they have given only one word, they are asking the now answer of the second one. So you have to check what is given in the first one. Are they using the letters? Are they using the just like plus one letter to everyone, next letter? Okay, क्या ये अगला अगला लेटर ले रहे हैं, क्या ये पिछला लेटर ले रहे हैं, क्या ये रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिख रहे हैं, तो आपको ये सब चेक करना पड़ेगा. Can you find? So let's try that. R-E-S-U-L-T. Can you have idea? Yeah, I got it. If you can see that T is here, L is here, U is here, S is here, R is here. So if you can see that they are just reversing it. Okay. First they are reversing. Result can be considered as T-L-U-R-E-S. T-L-U-R-E-S. If you can see that they have reversed these last three letters and R-E-S as it is. So what I have to do? I have to also reverse the last three letters. That will become T-A-E. And R-E-S is same as it is. So it means you have to put R-E-P as it is. So T-A-E-R-E-P. So B option will be our answer. Okay. So I hope you will get to know these type of questions now. These are very, very easy. Just you can see that we are done with our now coding and decoding topic from that. Okay. So in the next session, we will continue the another topic of a reasoning. Okay. So this our link is given in the description box. You can take it from there. Okay. So hope to see you in the next session. Okay. Thank you very much, everyone. Bye-bye.